Coffee is great, but what about when you get that urge to mix it up a little bit? There are many dangers of mixing caffeine with alcohol. Though many people do this, they do not realize the extra potential to black out and delay the drunk factor when drinking with caffeine. Whether it be a rum and coke, Jaeger bomb, or of course the White Russian. These all extend your ability to stay awake when you should be sleeping, thus pushing your body and brain to the limit. The idea that caffeine will lower your intoxication level is a myth. Overall, you'll end up getting both effects of the depressant as well as the stimulant, just in a delayed manner that could easily turn your night from triumph to tragedy. Without question, there are many options for mixing caffeine and alcohol in typically any bar or place of alcohol service. Currently, over 25 brands of alcohol contain caffeine, such as Patron XO Cafe, Patron XO Coco, and Kahlua. Liquor aside, there is also a big controversy if caffeinated alcohol is becoming a problem in society. Take a White Russian, for example. It contains cream, vodka, and the caffeinated Kahlua. You can't even taste the alcohol, making it easier to drink. Every day, there is something new to mix for that better effect, such as various new Red Bull flavors. The consumer favorite, a Jaeger bomb, consists of dropping a shot of Jägermeister into Red Bull and chugging it. Even a simple mixer such as Coca-Cola contains caffeine, which aids in the process of this. Other alcoholic beverages have been surfacing, such as Four Loko and Tilt, that contain massive amounts of taurine, which is just another form of caffeine. Only 1 can of Four Loko is equivalent to 2 cups of coffee and 4 beers. However, due to many documented casualties, the government put a ban on these to take out the caffeinated ingredient. So the myth that caffeine will decrease your intoxication level is false. It only delays the drunk feeling, which will catch up to you later in the night. And who doesn't want to remember the good time you had the night before? Most of the time.